Hello, I'm Robin from Boatshed Canals, and I'm pleased to introduce you this Succes 1250 Dutch motor cruiser. Let's begin the inside tour. You can access to the boat's interior salon cockpit from the cockpit terrace via a companionway or through the two sliding side doors. In 2017, our owners installed marine insulating wall covering. The space offers a versatile living area connected to the galley and dinette by two steps, creating a typical Dutch motor yacht spacious feel. The boat's heating is provided by an Huber's Pitcher diesel. In the salon cockpit, the headroom is 1.90 meters. Regarding the electrical system, there is a Victron Phoenix 12-volt 300 ampere charger and four 140 ampere batteries for the 12-volt and 25-volt systems. Dining for four is easy in this dinette, which can be also converted into a double bed measuring 1.85 meters by 1.25 meters. Two steps lead us to the open galley dinette. Here you will find four gas burners, a microwave, a double sink and a fridge working with gas 220 volt or battery powered. In this dinette galley, the headroom is 1.92 meters. Continuing towards the bow after this dinette, we access to the forward peak cabin. This is where you can access to the 25 volt bow thruster. Each single bed measures approximately 8 centimeters wide by 1.85 meters long. If you complete the detachable part of the bed, you can get a maximum bed largeness of 2.40 meters and a length of 1.95 meters. The headroom in the forward peak cabin is 1.92 meters. Finally, going aft through the salon again, we reach the electric Japsco toilet to starboard and the aft cabin. The headroom in these toilets is 1.82 meters. The headroom in this aft cabin is 1.75 meters. The bed in this aft cabin measures 1.90 meters by 1.30 meters. If you're interested in this 1250 Dutch steel cruiser, don't hesitate to contact me, Robin from Boatshed Canals. I look forward to hearing from you.